Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to control your Bose soundbar with your Xfinity remote, but it's not working yet, don't worry, I will show you how you can pair it step by step in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this. Your Xfinity remote can control your Bose soundbar mainly for volume and mute functions. So in order to basically set it up, you just have to turn on your Bose soundbar. Just make sure that it is powered on and it is working before you start pairing. So once this is done, you need to put your Xfinity remote into the setup mode. For that, you just have to press and hold the setup button until the LED light turns green. If your remote doesn't have the setup button, you can also press and hold the Xfinity button and the info buttons together until the light changes. Now, once this is done, you need to enter the Bose pairing code. So some of the Bose pairing codes are 31933. We have 31229. We also have 30189. So after entering the code, simply test the volume up button. If the soundbar responds, it means that the pairing is successful. If nothing happens, you can just simply repeat the process and try the next code until it works. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.